green and black two-tone. I think it came out really awesome. The flat black bed and flat black grille, along with flat black trim around the window glass. The first time I've ever done one of these hard bodies. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I can't wait to get it out on the trails, and I know with this new paint job it's really going to stand out. So RC 4-wheel drive, Trailfinder 2, long wheelbase with the Mojave 4-door extended cab body, ready to go. Thanks for watching, and come back for more Cactus Crawlers RC.